I began to feel charged up. I began to feel my higher self, and I started to sense new energy come in. And then it's like I could pick up energy and knowing about people. Like I would have people come and sit at my desk and that never were at my desk before, and they would start talking about their life, and all of a sudden things would pop out of my mouth that I was like, oh my gosh. That it would be kind of what was going on with him. So I was able to connect with people from the heart better. As I began to realize my connection with people, I started to feel the connection with my spirit guides. And I chose this butterfly because I was thinking I was making it all up. Okay, I was like, something is wrong with me. I have hit the loony bin. First of all, I feel charged up and already, and now I'm seeing butterflies and I'm feeling spirit, like energy, people with me. I have lost my mind, but what I know is that there's nothing to fear from the spirit world, and I trusted that. So once I started to tune into people, recognize I'm picking up energy, I'm feeling their emotions. It's not a bad thing to do that. It's a gift, right? Then I started to feel the presence of the spirit world. My guides, didn't know their names, still don't know some of their names, and that's fine. We'll talk about that later. I started to see a connection to butterflies. And for me, it was a door opening. It's kind of like I took the pathway and I would have butterflies greet me at my front door every time I came home from work, like at my front door. I was like, wow, something is really awesome going on. So for me, it gave me this sort of feeling that something bigger was happening within me, and I was getting on more of a higher purpose, right? And so the spirit symbol, and for those that aren't familiar with that, our guides, God, our loved ones use symbols to let us know spirit is with us. It helps us, remind us to tap into our spirit, but it also helps us to remember that they are with our physical world. So yes, I started to calm. Yes, I chose meditation to calm down, to get connected to God, to feel like I was trying to get answers for my life, like guidance, but I got all these other things, right? And so that's why I'm saying you got to be open for what the door opens. And there is nothing to fear. I actually know people that I've mentored over the years that have said, I wanted to turn it all off because I didn't know what to do with it. And I'll say, hey, if you're worried about what you're going to open up with meditation, that's a common concern. You are not alone. But let me just say this, there is nothing to fear from the spirit world because they, by natural law, can do us no harm.
Are you ready to connect with your spirit guides, angels, and loved ones? I'll show you how in my 2-part free Spirit Pathway workshop. You'll learn how to access healing wisdom, messages, support, and love waiting for you. Sign up today.